Prachi, do you think it's a myth that children cannot be taught Reiki?
No, children, in fact, should learn Reiki because, see, first and foremost, Reiki doesn't require a person to be of a particular age or particular gender or particular religious background or even particular social economic background. Anyone and everyone can learn Reiki. And my personal experience till now is, remember one of the students I was telling you about
Yes,
of
yes.
Pranverse.
Yeah.
So she's only 4 year old, and now when she learned it, she was four, and now it's been I think a couple of years for that, and she's showing a lot of improvement in her studies and in her concentration, and she feels that there's some magic in her hands, and she's totally enjoying it. So yeah, children should definitely learn Reiki.
So you feel like, I think it should be since the summer vacations are approaching, more and more people should join in, I guess.
Yes, they
Because
should.
learning Reiki is going to help them.
Yeah.
Plus, they have these 2 months like that. They just sit at home and watch television.
Yeah.
So what better thing to do but to do Reiki, I guess.
Yeah, and the best part about Reiki is that it doesn't just help them in the academics, but it's also their art. If they're into sports, it also helps them there. So basically, Reiki is going to help them be in a flow state. They feel their best and they do their best.